Us. Good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle, Tunisia Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our third lecture titled What is an accounting system? I have divided my third lecture into the following elements as follows. What is an accounting system? What are the types of accounting systems? Language activities, including building vocabulary, and finally assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is an accounting system? An accounting system is a set of accounting processes with integrated procedures and controls. Specific components of an accounting system include accounts payable, billings, accounts receivable, fixed assets, inventory, and payroll. Second element, what are the types of accounting systems? Choosing an accounting system depends on your budget, preferences, and business size. The four main types of financial software systems include single entry systems, double entry systems, manual accounting system, and finally computerized accounting systems. Third element, language activities, including building vocabulary. The word system as a noun or as a accountable noun means an organized set of ideas or theories or a particular way of doing something. For example, the game has a complex scoring system. This system allows you to study at your own speed. The new system is designed to eliminate fraud. Last element, and please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.